Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect UPS to Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com. Just press enter. And in the search bar, just start typing UPS. Then press enter. So from the list of apps, just look for this UPS Shipping Official, then click on install. So from here, just accept permissions by clicking on install. So from here, you might be asked to confirm your account. You just enter a password. You will then be redirected to this page, and as you can see, we have now here the connect my UPS account. Just click on this. So from here, all you have to do is just log into your account. But if you don't have one, you can easily sign up for one. You can also just log in using your Google account, Facebook account, Amazon account, Apple, and even X. So once you're logged into your account, you can keep on building your profile or you can press on continue. And heading back to the Shopify admin page, let's try searching for UPS. So just click on the app. From here, as you can see, our Shopify account is now connected to UPS. You can also customize this. You can add your store name, store tag, and you can also update Shopify connection. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!